Hi there, it's Hal Feldman, Miami Hal. I'm right here in Pinecrest at the intersection of 67th Avenue and 112th Street. And over the last couple of months, you might have been driving over a public art project that you didn't even know about. The sign kind of tells it all. It's called Elevation Drive. That's what they're temporarily calling this area. And what it really is all about is Xavier Cortada, who is a local artist in residence, has been putting together this project to tell people about sea level change, and in particular, where their home and where their village kind of sits above sea level. So as you drive over the big blue square, that's actually an upside down 9, and that signifies that it's 9 feet above sea level. In addition to the main installation, there are smaller signs that the art project placed into people's homes, and those signs would tell people what their particular home and lot are sitting on in the way of elevation. If you want to know more about this great project in Pinecrest or real estate in the area, please get in touch with me, Hal Feldman, Miami Hal, at 786-693-2005.